Healthcare is a vital aspect in any individual as it greatly influences the lifestyle of a person. Nowadays, healthcare problems and the distance of medical establishments can be a serious problem, especially for the rural citizens. For instance, if you are in a faraway land and get infected with diseases or injuries such as coughs, headaches, or sprained ankles, going to a hospital will be a hassle for you.
To cope up with this, digital healthcare is what we need. In line with this, we present to you iMed.
iMed is a mobile medical app that serves as a mobile doctor. This product will then lay information for various diseases and injuries, as well as present accessible treatment and steps in handling the said illness, enable for the users to gain sufficient knowledge to affiliate under circumstances. Through the use of iMed, you can now have the ability to take care of yourself at your homes. This wonderful benefit is thanks to the information presented by iMed. Just remember, iMed is only to be used for curable diseases and injuries, and also not all of them are enlisted since the product is still under development.
If you have iMed right here, if you have iMed right here, curing diseases and injuries throughout our body. If you have iMed right here,